Hello everyone, and once again welcome to WsCubeTech English and myself Umar Taskir. Guys, in this particular video of Facebook ad series, we are basically going to talk about the meaning of scaling of ads, right? So many of the times you have heard this word, that what is scaling of ads. So in this particular video, we'll be talking about the concept of scaling of ad and what is the basic definition of scaling of ads, right? So guys, many of the times you must have seen this. Whenever you are increasing your budget, you are not seeing the positive return. Now let me tell you what does this actually mean. Suppose, right guys, suppose you are running a campaign, right, and you have a budget of 100 rupees, right, and in those 100 rupees you are getting 10 leads, right, you are getting 10 leads out of those 100 rupees. So the cost per lead in this particular case will be rupees 10, right? Now you have seen few days and you came to a conclusion that right now I am getting average cost per lead, right, that mine average cost per lead is rupees 10, right? So you made this conclusion. Now you want more leads, right, because you were getting conversions from here, your lead quality was good, so you want more leads. Now this time what you did, you just doubled your budget, right, in the anticipation of 20 leads, right? You thought that right now I am paying 10 rupees for a single lead, and when I am getting 10 leads a day, mine daily budget spent is rupees 100, right? So this is what you have observed. Now you said that okay, now if I want 20 leads, it's very simple, we will just double the budget and we'll be getting 20 leads, right? As soon as you will double your budget, what you will identify, instead of getting 15 leads, instead of getting 20 leads, you are getting 15 leads. Now this is something which is a very big problem, and this can be resolved by scaling of ads. So we have different methods, we have different approaches that we can actually use for the purpose of scaling of ads, and this is the problem that basically arises whenever you want to scale your ads. So you have to implement the right strategy, you have to understand the concepts behind scaling of ads, then only you will be able to maintain a positive return, right? In this particular case, the return is not positive because here the leads, 15 leads that you got, and if you calculate the cost per lead, it will be more than 10 rupees, right? Earlier you were performing better, right? So I have one sheet over here also. So let's say you are getting 100 leads out of total ad spend, that is 1500, right? So out of 1500, you are getting 100 leads, which means that your cost per lead is rupees 15. Fine. And suppose if you are making 20 conversions from there, then your leads to conversion percentage is again 20%, right? Now you have increased your total ad spend from, or total budget from 1500 to 2000 rupees, and this time out of 2000 rupees you got 150 leads, and out of 150 leads you got 35 conversions at leads to conversion rate 23%, and your cost per lead is 13%. Now this is the condition, this is the situation that we want whenever we are doing scaling of ads. So the basic definition, if we are talking about the basic definition of scaling of ad, that is basically whenever we are increasing our budget, right, whenever we are increasing our budget, our leads or conversions should also increase in same proportion, right? So earlier if we were getting a single lead for rupees 10, after increasing budget, we do not want our single lead to be for rupees 20 or 15 or 18 or 17, right? So whenever we are increasing our budget, right, we want increase in the leads at the same proportion, right? So this is basically the concept of scaling of ads, and many of the times people lack this concept, or the advertisers do not implement the concepts of scaling of ads. So that's it for this specific video. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.